I am making myself. Is that how you say that? I'm making myself. I'm making something for me. For me, I need this. I do. Anyway, basically, I need to make myself a CBD balm because my body hurts. My daughter's getting heavy. My sides are hurting. I'm trying to work out. She getting heavy faster than I can lift weights. So like my body hurt, right? So I'm gonna use the Arto machine. I'm gonna show you how simple it is, and I'm not sponsored yet, but it's still really cool. So let me show you. Okay, I actually just realized I need to put the thing together first. So I don't have all the extra stuff that you can buy, but this is what I do. So I always use a tea bag because there's no waste. It's very important. Use everything you possibly can. My background's a chef, so try to use everything. Then I have a little silicone cup here. Put the tea bag inside the silicone cup. And let's see. Scale. Just so I can measure out exactly how much I'm gonna have here. Tear that. Okay. My mix that I'm using is with CBG and CBD. It's really strong. It's 244 milligrams per gram. So I don't know. I'm probably gonna do like 2 of those. 2 grams. Do more than 2 grams. Let's do 5 grams. Alright, so I'm doing 5 grams. So basically I'm gonna do 5 times 244, and that is 1,220 milligrams. Because why not?